The BBC Wales news headlines. Police in Anglesey have set up a series of roadblocks tonight to try to find the man responsible for the vicious rape of a 15-year-old schoolgirl near Valley. The girl was grabbed near an isolated beach as she walked home, then driven to a field in an Audi car, and police say left for dead. There's been gloomy jobs news for Wales today. National Welsh Bus Company have closed their depot at Barry tonight with the loss of 80 jobs. Clothing manufacturers VRP in Mould have told another 80 employees their jobs have gone while they've been on holiday, and another 119 jobs at Bathers Bakeries in Llandudno are in jeopardy after the company called in the official receivers. A man who attacked firemen with a pickaxe when they tried to fight a blaze at his home in Fairwater in Cardiff has been jailed for 4 years by Cardiff Crown Court. Mark Hill, who's 22, admitted arson, affray and causing actual bodily harm. And Wales has won a medal at the Olympics. Helen Morgan from Porthcawl was goalkeeper in the Great Britain women's hockey team, who won bronze earlier this evening. And those were the late BBC Wales news headlines. We'll now look at the weather forecast for Wales for tonight and tomorrow, Saturday. A cloudy night is in prospect with outbreaks of rain. The rain will become heavy and thundery at times, giving some localised flooding. It'll also be a warm and humid night, with lowest temperatures near 15 degrees Celsius. The northwesterly winds will also strengthen during the night. The cloudy weather will then continue on into Saturday, and there will still be some heavy and thundery rain around. However, southern areas may become drier and brighter for a time during the afternoon. Daytime temperatures will reach around 22 degrees Celsius, and there will be a fresh easterly wind. So, in summary, mostly cloudy, some heavy and thundery rain at times. And that's the forecast. It's coming up to 2 o'clock, and that brings us to the end of programmes for Friday. We'll be back at 6:35 in the morning with programmes from the Open University. For tonight, thanks for your company. I hope you can join us again at some stage tomorrow. On behalf of BBC Wales, this is Jamie Owen, wishing you a peaceful night. Good night, sleep well, North Star.